Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the optical drive, remove the screw on the right side cover. Unlatch and lift the cover off the system. Identify the PSU hinge and move the tabs to the unlocked position. Lift the hinge to open it. Identify the optical drive assembly. Disconnect the cables and unlatch the assembly. Remove the screw securing the optical drive to the assembly. Unlatch the drive to remove it. To reinstall the optical drive, relatch it to the assembly and tighten the screw to secure it. Relatch the assembly to the system and reconnect the cables. Move the tabs to the locked position to secure the PSU hinge. Relatch the right side cover on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.